canceling or postponing their weddings due to the coronavirus.
Coronavirus has changed life as we know it across America.
This is truly an unprecedented situation.
This virus doesn't discriminate. It attacks
Overnight,
everyone.
across the country, the calls for justice are growing more intense.
Stormed into lower Manhattan.
In Atlanta, where protesters filled the streets, smoke billowed into the sky.
I think the real paradigm for love is gardener flower. So the relationship that a gardener has with a flower is the gardener wants the flower to be what the flower is designed to be, not what the gardener wants the flower to be. You want the flower to bloom and to blossom and to become what it wants to be. You want it to become what God designed it to be. You're not demanding that it become what you need it to be for your ego. Anything other than all of your gifts wide open, giving and nourishing this flower into their greatness is not love.